Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. You may have noticed a new rewards program called Google Play Points. This program allows you to earn points for every purchase you make on the platform, including apps, movies, books, and even subscriptions. And the best part is, you can redeem these points for a range of rewards, if are new for Google Play Points. Watch this video to learn how to active Google Play Points in Google Play Store. When open the Play Store, we can see Play Point balance in top search bar. Or click profile picture icon, then we can see point balance. When open the Play Points section, we can see Earn, Use and Perks option 2. This perks option coming with after reach the silver level in Play Points. When we coming to Earn option below, we can see try to new apps and earn points free. This is the best option to earn points free. I have 586 play points now. Let's increase play points balance now. This perks option is weekly price program. We can earn points up to 100 in silver level in every week. Its benefits depends on what level you are in Google Play Points. I won only 2 points. It's my time, sometimes it's be 50, 10 or 100. In Earn section below we can see new apps for a day, they give us free play points too. Let's see what happens when install this new app. After complete the installation, make sure to open app for little time and do not delete, it should be keep 1 day at least. You can see now, my play points increased. This is the simple way to earn play points. In this use option, we can redeem them. It can be Play App Store coupons and Play Store credits. In my next video, I will show you how to use them to apps and much more. Comment me below does it work for you or not. Subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you. See you again.